Our judiciary has been truncated and weaponized against the people they are ought to protect or speak for. The court that is supposed to be the hope of the common man has now become the weapon fashioned against the common man in this country. After the court sitting yesterday at the Federal High Court, Abuja, the court, or I would rather say the judge, ordered that Sowore should be returned to Kuje prison until 30th of June 2026. So the case has now been adjourned to 30th of June 2026. So you see, this is one of the reasons Sowore asked this judge to recuse himself from this case, because Sowore saw this coming. Sowore sensed that he is not going to get justice as long as this man is presiding over his case. But the man refused to recuse himself from this case for reasons best known to him. How could a judge be asking lawyers, be asking his colleagues in the field to kneel down before the court?
I wonder.
All the lawyers in this case have been complaining, almost all of them have been complaining the way this man treats them. I mean Justice Umar of the Federal High Court, Abuja. What type of judge humiliates his colleagues in the field? That's too bad of him. So you see, this is the kind of judiciary we have this time around. Our judiciary is no longer what it's supposed to be. Judiciary is no longer independent. It is now the executive that controls both the legislature and the judiciary. We are gone. I've said it before that before you get justice in any court in this country right now, you must have too much money. Even if you have that money, it is always the highest bidder that wins any case in any of our courts today in this country. So the court is no longer the hope of the common man. Our judiciary is gone. We no longer have judiciary. We no longer have rule of law. We no longer have a voice of our own. And the court that is supposed to be our voice is the one shutting us up when we speak. So the judge just wants to suffer Sowore for nothing's sake. He is working under instruction, which is not how it's supposed to be, because the judiciary is supposed to be independent of both legislature and executive arm of government. But in this case, in our country today, it is the executive that controls the three arms of government, which is very bad. That is why you will find it very hard to get justice in this country, especially when it concerns you or when the case is between you and the government. Chai! There was a country indeed. May God help us in this country. So, let's wait until 30th of June. Let's see what happens then. Until then, peace.